Asmaraw Andemo, Deputy Chairperson of the House's Standing Committee on Democratic Affairs, stated that pre-reform Ethiopia suffered from a constricted democratic space and laws hindering democratic governance. Speaking to Ethiopian news agency, he emphasized the government's post-reform efforts to revise these restrictive laws, citing key revisions such as amendments to the National Electoral Board of Ethiopia, mass media, human rights, and ombudsman proclamations, which have been crucial in fostering a more open and inclusive political environment in the country. Asmaraw also cited the revised electoral proclamation's role in creating conditions for inclusive, transparent, and credible elections.
Before the reforms, Ethiopia's democratic space was restricted by laws hindering governance. However, the government's efforts to revise these laws have been key in creating a more open political environment. Reforms to the National Electoral Board, mass media, human rights, and ombudsman proclamations have expanded democracy and media freedom. The revised electoral proclamation has also ensured more inclusive, transparent, and credible elections, with an independent electoral board fostering impartial democratic institutions. These changes have paved the way for a more inclusive and democratic Ethiopia.
Issa Boru, Deputy Chairperson of the House's Standing Committee on Legal and Justice Affairs, on his part cited pre-reform public grievances and human rights violations. He stated the reform government has been addressing these issues by revising repressive laws, including the anti-terrorism proclamation.
Before the reforms, public grievances and human rights violations were widespread in Ethiopia. The reform government has addressed these issues by revising repressive laws such as the anti-terrorism proclamation. We have made significant strides in creating efficient and credible justice institutions, from criminal investigations to judicial proceedings, all while upholding human dignity and professional ethics. Additionally, advancements in technology have driven modernization, further strengthening the justice system.
The members concluded that national reforms have expanded Ethiopia's democratic space and established a more just, transparent, and inclusive governance system.